welcome to Stampin' Country. I've been recently asked by a team member of mine how you can make envelope liners with just little squares of paper. And so I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. If you want to see how to make the full envelope, I have another video and I'll leave the link for that in the details below. So you have an envelope and it's just a little flat and you want to add a little pizzazz or something extra before you send it. So this is the designer paper Springtime's Foils and it looks great on this black. But how do I know how big to make the square? So you can see you're just using a little bit to line this envelope. Generally speaking, you want to measure from the tip to where this curves over here. So if I measure this, it's just a little shy of 4, so I'm going to make it 4. I like to round up. So I'm going to make a 4-inch square, which is what I did, a 4-inch square. And to make this liner, it's really, really simple. Let's see if I can tip this so you can see it. So you want to line your paper up about the middle of that punch. You see that there? So it's right about the middle, and then you punch. Then you're going to want this corner, but the opposite side. So you take this corner, so it's the opposite corner, and you're going to flip it over. You're going to do the same exact thing. So again, you can see I have it in about, in about the middle there. And punch. So now you have something that looks like this. Super duper easy. The other trick that I've found is it's best to just put adhesive on the top edges so it's got a little bit of room for when you fold over the flap. So I'm just going to put a little adhesive here and here. I'm going to leave this bottom knot because it's going to get tucked in anyway, and you want to tuck that in like that, and voila, you have a great liner. Isn't that a great envelope? And you only used a little teeny piece of your designer paper. And you could do it on any size envelope. So this is a 4x4 envelope that I've made, and I wanted to dress it up for the kids, so I'm using this great dinosaur paper. So I'm going to measure from that tip to this little rounded part, and I'm going to take the measurement that's just a little bit beyond, so I'll go 3. So I have a 3-inch square. Then you go to your envelope punch board, line it up in the center like I showed you before, and punch. We want this corner. We're going to flip it over and punch this corner. Put adhesive on the top edges. And we'll tuck it in. So you can see that you can easily do that for any size envelope. Isn't that cute for a kid? And of course, you can make envelopes out of a whole piece of designer paper and you'll automatically be lined. But that's another story. Thanks for stopping by and have a fabulous day.